The Goal Learning Institute presents too many people, too few trees.
वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि लेटेस्ट से लेटेस्ट वीडियो आपको सबसे पहले प्राप्त हो।
Work in a small groups and discuss the relation between population and pollution. You may include these points in your discussion. First, population explosion. Second, its effect on development of the country. Third, more people, more land. Fourth, deforestation. Answer: in these days, the environmental pollution has increased so much. The population explosion is a problem that worries us and the government of our country. The government are discussing overpopulation explosion. It is a great hindrance on the development of the country. Man is doing harm to the environment through the growth of population, pollution and deforestation. Human population has grown rapidly. Man has cut down forests to build houses, factories and cornfields. More people land to live and to cultivate. Deforestation leads to air pollution as the tree protect soil, so the cutting down of trees leads to washing away to topsoil as well. T for true and F for false statements. Throughout most of human existence, the number of births was slightly higher than the number of deaths. True. More people will need even less food than they need now. False. Will more people, both town and country, will become more eroded. True. Higher population density is also not likely to exacerbate crime, ethnic conflict, and warfare. False. Population size and rates of growth are key elements in country become crowded. True. B. Answer the following question very briefly. First, for how long has the global population been rapidly going up? Answer: the global population has been rapidly going up during the last 3 centuries. What happens when the population goes up? When the population goes up, pollution of rivers, lakes, air, drinking water and soil also goes up. The quality of life and its value continue to erode. Question number 3. How many Americans die each day of asthma? 14 Americans die each day of asthma aggravated by air pollution. Complete the following sentence on the basis of the lesson. The more we have, the better off we are. Second, history and common sense tell us that we can control population growth. Third, as the population grows, more and more people are forced to convert forest into farmlands. Fourth, forest covered around 40%. Humanity can continue to fell trees, cross its finger and hope for this best. Answer the following question very briefly. Name the countries in which the population growth has been slowed down remarkably. Answer: countries like China, Thailand and Egypt, the rate of population growth has slowed down remarkably. Second, the productivity and general health of Answer: the productivity and general health of the world's forests are threatened by such things as the greenhouse effect, ozone layer depletion, air pollution, and acid rain. Third, what hampers the ability of biosphere to sustain life? The eventual consequences of deforestation may be damage due to quality of life forms that planet with us, thus hampering. How does deforestation in Nepal affect India? Deforestation in Nepal affects India. As the trees of Nepal are cut down, its topsoil is gradually being lost and its rain are likelier to cause devastating floods in India. Long answer. Why have human population always been in flux? The human population have always been in flux. For example, every day some people die while others are born. A few hundred years ago, however, the situation began to change, especially in the industrialized world. With advances in nutrition, sanitation, and health, people live longer and more of them reach reproductive age. So, the human population has been rapidly going up. Question number 2. What does the right mean by reproductive age? How do people reach this age? The writer means to say that by reproductive age means capable of giving birth to child through the sexual relationship between men and women. This age begins at the age of 15 and above at about 50 years. But with advances in nutrition, sanitation, and health, people live longer and more of them reach reproductive age of 60 and above. Question number 3. What is human-made pollution? How has it affected America? How will it affect your locality? Human-made pollution is due to deforestation, depletion of no renewable resources, and ozone layer depletion, and the greenhouse effect. These all are human-made pollution. It has badly affected America. According to an estimate, about 60,000 Americans die each year from respiratory diseases, which are caused by human-made pollution. Our locality is also being affected by human-made pollution. People throw refuse and debris everywhere in the street. The drainage system is also defective. It is really frightening problem. It may cause disease. Population size and rates of growth, area key element in environmental changes. Explain with any two examples from your own society. Population size and rates of growth are key element of environmental change. More people require more food and thus deforestation occurs and the green fields are lost in our village. A family has to cut down his orchard to build new houses there. Now that place looked barren, no tree is seen there. Another example is that in Patna, in my locality, a few years ago, there were farm people do locality filled with roads on houses. Now it looks a housing colony. Farms vanished. How do countries like Germany, Switzerland, China, Thailand, and Egypt manage to reverse or slow down population growth? What does reverse mean here? How has it been possible? These countries managed to reverse or slow down population growth. This had been possible because to several factors that include modernization, literacy, media campaign, rapidly available family planning and contraception, and legal opportunity for women. What do you mean by environment? Environment means the surroundings in which man lives. It includes all conditions surrounding the man. Physical environment means the soil on which we live and the air we breathe. It also means the food we eat and the water we drink. Similarly, social environment relates. How does pollution harm people? These days, the environment pollution has increased so much that human existence has started facing danger. Trees have cut. Various chemical factories emit poisonous smoke. This contains carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases. These are very dangerous for human health. Besides, the burning of fossil fuel in various vehicles emits poisonous substances. All this has made life unbearable. That's why metropolitan cities have become a death trap. Respiratory diseases have increased. Manifold soon people living in them will have to wear masks. So it is the call of the hour that this increasing pollution of biosphere is checked at the earliest as our cities are most polluted. The authorities should take the necessary step in this direction. What is the Chipko movement? How is it useful? After independence, the Chipko movement came into being. The village people hug a tree in the Himalayan forest of Uttar Pradesh when it is to be cut. The movement forced the state government to think about the forest. The result that cutting a tree for a commercial purpose is now banned above a height of 1,000 meters. However, the forest department did not plant trees where it had cut them, but thanks to nature and the strength of these women, the forest has again come up. These have reduced the fury of the flood and soil erosion. Rising population and deforestation are likely to damage the quality of life on the earth. Human populations cannot continue to grow indefinitely for the simple reason that the world itself is finite. More people will need even more food than they need now, and therefore the process of deforestation will control so that eventually trees will vanish. As the population goes up, so does population of goes up. Lakes, air, drinking water and soil. With more people, both town and country become more crowded. The quality of life and the value we place on human life will continue to erode. When the population is a stable increase in such things as food product, number of physicians or hospitals are often failed to keep pace with population density is also likely to exacerbate crime, ethnic and warfare. Composition. Write a letter to your friend emphasizing the need to population. Jammu 6/5/2020. Dear Wimleys, I am very fine and hope that you are also fine. Here I talk about emphasizing the need of population control. We know that in India, the most facing problem is the problem of population. The masses are poor and illiterate. They have no means of reaction. People do not know much about family planning devices. The regard children as the gift of God is given greater importance. So, in the hope of getting a son, people go on giving birth to daughter, and the population goes on increasing. Our government is trying to take this problem on a war footing, so we can avoid these things for control the population. In these words, I close my letter. Regards for elders and love to youngers. Your affectionately name and address. Correct the spelling of the following words: existence, continue, resources, species, eventually, problem, already, 40, and compare. Fill in the blanks with suitable form of words given below. As population growing up, more people are forced to convert forest into farmlands. In fact, world population has been rapidly rising up. As population goes up, so does population of river, lakes, air, drinking water and soil. As the tree of Nepal are cut down, its topsoil is being lost. ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश। तुम्हें माता पिता की आज्ञा माननी चाहिए। यू शुड ओबे योर पेरेंट्स। तुम कल या ले सकते हो। यू कैन टेक दिस। हमें सत्य बोलना चाहिए। वी शुड स्पीक ट्रूथ। सोनू परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो सका। सोनू शुड। क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? कैन यू हेल्प मी? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.